Have you ever made over $600 and still somehow found a way to ruin the perfect trading day? Congratulations! You're about to witness one of the greatest examples of professional self-sabotage. You're about to witness one of the greatest examples of professional self-sabotage that the Nasdaq generously provided. Tonight, I took one of the cleanest entries I've had in weeks. The market agreed with me. My strategies agreed with me, even my caffeine agreed with me. Then, my brain decided to clock in, and trust me, my brain has an immersive talent for showing up exactly when it isn't needed. Welcome to Magnificent Trades, the channel where I'm documenting every single trading session until I become consistently and monumentally successful professional futures trader. No rented Lambos, no fake screenshots, no demo account multi-millionaires, just a magnificent professional trying to beat one of the hardest games on planet Earth. So if you're here because you think trading is easy, this channel's probably about to hurt your feelings. And if you have ever turned a beautiful green day into something you immediately regretted, welcome home. Hit the subscribe button like the market just stopped you out by one tick, because somehow that always gets people's attention. That sell position failed. As you can see, we have entered the trade of 5 and 4 contracts open 2 positions, and we got stopped out on, trading aggressively as always, but we just gotta wait for this support to break, and then we're gonna be triggered. And then as you can see, the very nice volume on Nasdaq and it's pushing currently, and we don't give two fucks, that's the thing. Fuck this. Probably just chilling here, chilling as always, and the volume and everything looks good. I could have taken the reversal, but I just wanted for this resistance to break right here, and then I'll be entering basically a buy on Nasdaq. So yeah, keep that in mind. And then the short failed, so we're gonna just delete this place here, and then we're gonna take the long position from here again. New York is about to open. Let's see if tonight rewards discipline or hands me another expensive life lesson. The session actually started better than I expected. The market had been selling for most of the evening, but the buyers started defending at an important order block level. Momentum shifted, volume increased. It actually looked like buyers wanted to fight back. I took my first trade. It wasn't perfect. The market shocked me out almost instantly. A few weeks ago, I would have been completely destroyed by my mindset. Tonight, it barely changed my heartbeat, because I finally trust my process instead of chasing the outcomes. Then it happened. Price reclaimed the resistance level. The breakout I've been waiting for finally arrived. You just gotta let the market come to you instead of you chasing those setups. Keep that in mind. Level currently, and then all we need is a 5 to 6 candles of the 5-minute time frame. Then we're gonna have as you can see, look, this is a beautiful trade, no emotions involved. You gotta trust your process, and all this headache is paying off. And look at my sell stops and everything. I'll move it to break even after a few minutes, but yeah, we're on a drawdown. This candle opened. There's a lot of this very nice candle here, but it shouldn't come lower, so we just gotta let it play out, And my stop losses, I'm gonna place them and adjust the stop loss here, place it here so that it doesn't kick me out of the trade. I opened 2 positions, one to secure profit, and the other one let the market decide how generous it wants it to be. It doesn't take me out because, as you know, Nasdaq is very, very volatile, and it moves 50 to 40 points within seconds. So just now waiting and letting the trade play out. Looking at the 15 minutes, we have a very nice candle here on the 15-minute, and this is a control shift candle, the liquidity grab, and as you can see, the wicked out. But I should not taken that sell position, you know. So what the hell? Now a reversal is happening. Basically looking at this previous swing low of this other one, see that? Based on this blue line like mark, that you can see that a reversal is happening. The market has been very choppy and every single thing, but look at this absolutely beautiful candle. 2 candles and without, you know. There we go, huge candle, very nice trade. Yes, let's get it. Bro, this looks absolutely beautiful. See that? A very nice trade. We can easily hit that target and get out, you know. And the volume like 150k, bravo, that's actually very nice. Today is a very nice day compared to like all these other days that I've been losing because there was no volume, my entry was trash, and today my entry is very decent. Yes, it's a very like super sniper entry. As you can see, we don't care about like, you know, anything, but we're just playing professionally here. Nasdaq. The candle will close above this support based on this, like as you can see, this like control shift candle right here. I grabbed the liquidity, you know, it basically triggered. There we go. A very nice, and I'm proud of my trading. I'm telling you, do you know how much hours I put into this, into my craft? Bro, this is very nice, like, you know, one of my best trades. Target 1 got hit beautifully, over $600 locked in. I genuinely thought I'd finally figure out the whole trading game. The market looked at me, smiled and said, "That's adorable." Because what happened next completely changed the day. And then now I'll move my stop loss to break even here now, under break even. So let's go here. For a second everything felt perfect. Target 1 was already secured, over $600 locked in. This candle is huge.
The open position was floating beautifully, and honestly I thought this was finally going to be the trade that runs. You know that feeling when you're already imagining tomorrow's journal before the first trade is over? Yeah, that was me. So I did exactly what I promised myself to do. Nothing. Let the trade play out. I moved my stop loss to break even, leaned back, let the market decide, because that's what professional traders do, or at least that's what I'm trying to become. You must become that version of yourself who already have it.
See, the candle opens, comes down to create the wick, and then it's gonna push up to create the body, and then it's gonna close right here. So I'm not even worried about anything. As you can see, the amount of volume confirms that there's 200,000 here, basically pushing this candle, and on this candle there's 9k only left. So you can see the ratio and everything to it.
Not anymore, because today I realized something. The second position did not fail. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. It gave the market room to prove me right without risking what I already earned. That's not a losing trade, that's a professional risk management, and honestly, that's much a bigger win than those few $100s that we made. The market's no longer teaching me how to make money, it's teaching me how to think, and honestly I believe that lesson will eventually change my life. It's just a matter of time. The market reminded me of who's actually in charge. It slowly rolled over, And just like that, the runner was gone. A month ago I would have been frustrated, took another trade and another trade and blown up the whole account. You don't have to win every trade. You just have to become the kind of trader who actually deserves to win. I'll see you in tomorrow's New York session. Let's keep building one trade, one lesson, and one chapter at a time. Peace.